This is another used JUKI LS 1341 walking foot sewing machine. We just set it up. Let's see the condition of the machine. We haven't tested it yet, and we did not put the accessories on, like the belt cover. We can see the condition of the machine is very good. And the paint is nice. We fixed the paint, it's very nice. For the machine, we use a brand new quarter-size table and pedestal metal stand. It comes with wheels, making it very easy to move around. This is a space saver stand. Also, the machine was attached to a servo motor, which is 750 watts. This one we also attached a speed reducer. The speed reducer can boost the power of the motor. So this machine basically can sew very thick materials, like thick leather or something else. This is a drawer. There's a controller of the motor. We can take over the top cover to check the condition inside. You see inside the machine is very clean. Clean. And also, for all the machines, we will check all the wicks. Make sure all the wicks are here. You know, lubrication for sewing machines is very important. No lubrication, no machines. So make sure all the wicks are connected and good. Also, we will check all these screws, especially for the adjustment screws. If they are worn out, we will change to a new one, to make sure the machine will work properly. We also check the timing of the cams. Okay, we can open this cover. We can see inside here. It is clean, with no serious wear or rust. We checked all the wicks. We put all the wicks here already. Wicks, as we said, are important for the machine. It is clean, with no rust. All wicks are here. It's good. Let's see from the bottom of the machine. Inside here, it's quite clean. Here we put new wicks for the cam. Here is a gear. All the screws are nice and good. This one we changed to a new one. It's very good. Firstly, we disconnect the belt, so the machine is not connected to the motor. We will try the machine. Turn the machine by hand wheel. You can feel the machine running very smoothly. Very smooth. So when you turn the machine by hand, it's very easy. That means the machine was no stuck. Everything works properly. After checking the condition of the machine, we will check the accuracy of the stitches. We will use a piece of paper board to try it. We will start from big stitch, number 9. Try the reverse. You can see for the reverse and normal sewing, the needle goes to the same hole. Reverse and normal sewing goes the same hole, which means the mache works very accurate. Then we will try number 6. Samely, you can see the needle goes to the same hole. And also you can see the holes are round and clear, not broken. That means that the machine feeds the material accurately. We will try stitch number 4. You see, number 4 is the same. It's good. Smaller. You can see all reverse stitches go to the same hole, not break the paper. Now we will try the machine on real fabric. We also start with a big stitch, number 9. This machine is attached to a speed reducer, so the machine can run slowly. Make it easy to control. You see, for big stitches, the reverse and normal stitch lengths are the same. For smaller stitches, number 6. You see, number 6, very good. The smaller one, number 4. Nice. Because we use a very small thread on the bottom, the stitch does not look like the top stitches. For the top and bottom threads, we should use the same size. But we can see the stitch is good. You see, this machine is very nice, so if you like the machine, you can contact us. You can come to our store to try the machine, or we can ship the machine to you. We shipped lots of machines to other states already. Now this machine is almost ready. We will put on the cover and everything. I will show you how it is finished. Now the machine is ready to go. We put on the belt cover. We put on all the rubber plugs. We also attached an edge guide here. You will have extra feet in the drawer. Now the machine is tested and ready to work.